Hi friends, welcome back. This is Sushant and today we are going to make the Iron Man fly. Yes, it sounds crazy, but we are going to make it happen using computer vision. So let's get started. I have already created a new notebook named How to Make Iron Man Fly. This time I have already written my code so that we will spend more time in understanding it rather than typing. So let's start with our first cell. Here we are importing the required libraries for this project. So I'm importing NumPy, Matplotlib, and Computer Vision library. So let's execute this cell by pressing Ctrl Enter. So now we have imported these libraries to our project. Next, we will display the input image just like what we did in our previous tutorials. So here I am reading an image using cv2.imread function and displaying the same using plt.imshow function. So let's execute this cell. Oh, why the Iron Man suit is in blue color? I'm sure that you also have the same question, but no worries. We know the exact solution for this problem. But first, we will make this image a bit bigger for better visualization. I have already added a line of code here to make the image big. So let me uncomment it. So I'll just remove this hash. This function rcparams will set a new value to figure.figsize variable that is 9,5 is the value for it so that all the images in this notebook will have the same size. So let's execute this line. Great. Now the image looks better. Let us move to the next problem, that is the Iron Man suit color. Why it is blue? This is because Computer Vision library supports BGR, that is blue, green, red color channel instead of regular RGB, that is red, green, blue color channel. Hence, we must convert this image to an RGB color format. So I am using cv2.cvt color function with the first argument as image name and the second argument is to convert the BGR to RGB color format. So let's execute this line. Great, back to the original. Now the Iron Man looks like an MCU Iron Man, but yet Iron Man is not flying over a city, so let's make it happen. In this cell, we will get the shape that is the size of our image. So let's execute this line. The shape of image is 720 by 1280 columns of pixel, whereas 3 color channels, that is the RGB color channels. Next, we will set a lower and upper color threshold to capture the green area in our image. Here we have given a lower threshold value as 0,150, 0 and upper threshold value like 132, 255, 132. These numbers you will not get it directly. You need to do some experiment to reach these values to get the right output. So let's execute this cell by pressing Ctrl plus Enter. Now let us create a mask over the original image using this lower and upper green threshold values. So we are using cv2.inRange function that takes the original image and lower and upper threshold values to create the mask. I am using gray color map to display the results. So let's execute this line. Here you can see that the mask is an array of numbers. The white region represents the mask area and the black region represents the non-mask area. Next, we will apply these mask values to a copy of original image. Here in this cell, we are assigning 0, 0, 0 to the area where the mask is been applied, or we can say to the green color region of the image. So let's execute this line. See that the green area is removed from the original image. Now we will take another image, that is an image of a city as a background image for Iron Man. So let's read, convert and display the image. Let's execute this cell. So this is the background image we are going to use. But this image is little bigger than original Iron Man size. Hence, we need to crop this background image and match its size with the Iron Man image. So let's do it. In this cell, we are cropping the background image by changing its size to 720 by 1280 pixels, and then we are showing that cropped image. So let's execute this cell. Now the image is changed as per the new values. Let us apply the non-mask area to this background image. We will set pixel values as 0, 0, 0 to the non-mask area, or we can say to the non-green area in the original image, so that we can place the Iron Man over this image. So let's execute this line. See, the non-mask area is removed with the exact boundary of Iron Man in the original image. Now let us move to our last step, which is combining both masked images. We can do this by simply adding the images to one another. That is addition of image pixel arrays. Let's execute this cell. Great. Now the Iron Man is really flying over the city, just like in movies. So great work, guys. This is an amazing job. You should try this on your own, maybe on different images to get better hands-on experience. So that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next tutorial. Goodbye.